Offshore wind farm, Nakwol Blue Heart project. The total installed capacity consists of 64 units of 5.7 megawatts wind turbine generators. Total installed capacity, 364.8 megawatts. In 2025, 2 WTG installation vessels will be in operation. The Hyundai Frontier, 16,000-ton class, self-propelled jack-up vessel. Pedestal crane capacity, 1,200 ton, with boom length, 121 meters. Mission, responsible for the lifting and installation of WTG's components, including towers, nacelle, generator, and blades. The Hansan 1, semi-submersible heavy lift crane vessel. Pedestal crane, capacity 1,600 ton, with boom length 133 meters. Mission, responsible for the lifting and installation of keys components, including monopiles, towers, nacelle, generator, and blades.